It might be worth asking yourself, since it is getting pretty serious, what is this really about? Why do I hate Putin so much? Has Putin ever called me a racist? Has he threatened to get me fired for disagreeing with him?
How is that different than when Muhammad Ali said, I ain't got no beef with the Viet Cong?
How can I shoot them poor people? That would just take me to jail.
When he said, I don't want to be conscripted into the US Army to go fight other brown people around the world on behalf of an American agenda. Do you think America's really changed since then? Oh, that was America of the 1960s when it was governed by the military-industrial complex. That was a very different America. Since then, why? Everything's changed since Wolfowitz and Cheney and Barack Obama and Raytheon and Lockheed Martin and reneging on a deal with Gorbachev to not impede on Russian territory or former Soviet territory, and getting involved in the coup in Ukraine in 2014 and the Ukrainian biolabs and Victoria Nuland admitting that successive administrations have had involvement in Ukraine and supporting the Azov battalion that are literally Nazi.